The overall goal of this methodology is to clarify some of the key characteristics that dictate the degree of surface-crown layer interaction in chaparral crown fires.
This method can help answer key questions in the wildland fire field, such as the conditions dictating successful transition and spread to the crown layer. The main advantage of this technique is that it enables measurement of mass loss and temperature for both the surface fuel layer and the crown fuel layer.
To begin, modify 4 C-clamps by attaching dual spring gate carabiners through the pinhole at the clamp screw end. Use these carabiners to suspend the crown fuel bed. Using a different set of C-clamps, affix each load strain gauge cell to the top portion of the wind tunnel frame. Then, attach the modified C-clamps to the free end of the strain gauge cells with the carabiners hanging down. Use chains to connect the platform for the crown fuel bed to a carabiner. Connect their wires to the Wheatstone bridge, which will be used for data acquisition. Cover the load cells with fire insulating material, such as the kind used for fire shelters. To obtain the calibration constant, A, hook precision weights to the first load cell. Set the load cell gain to 128 using the input number field. This corresponds to the maximum value allowed by the device.